Pour the egg into the boiling milk. I don't buy in the market anymore. With only 3 ingredients, it is very easy and delicious. I will start adding in a stainless steel pan, 2 liters of milk, but it must be at room temperature. Then, I'll add a tablespoon of salt, and wait for it to start boiling. While the milk starts to boil, in a small bowl I will add 3 eggs. Then I will add a pinch of salt. And I'm going to beat it very well, until I break them. Now I will add 80 milliliters of lemon juice, which is equivalent to 2 large lemons. And I will mix well, to incorporate them into the eggs. Guys, this homemade cheese with only 3 ingredients, which we are making, is delicious and is very easy to prepare. I am sure everyone will like the result. Once the milk starts to boil, I will add the mixture of the eggs with the lemon, but I will add it slowly, and I will move constantly. At this moment I would like to know, from which country or city you look at us, to send you a special greeting in the next recipe. The greeting in today's recipe is for Florinda Saldana from Philippines, also for Patricia Schaefer from United States, and Chioma Leticia from Nigeria. Thank you for always seeing and enjoying our recipes. At this point, I will turn off the stove, cover the pan, and let it stand for 10 minutes, so that the whey separates completely from the dough. Over time, observe how the serum has been separated from the dough. This is how it should be. Next, I will separate the dough from the serum, with the help of a strainer, so that I keep only the dough. And this has been the mass that we have achieved of 2 liters of milk. To pack our homemade cheese, we are going to fill a jar with the milk dough, crushing it well with the help of a spoon, until it is well compacted. If you have come this far seeing today's recipe, that means that you are liking this recipe. So leave us here below the following message: I love homemade cheese, to send you a very special greeting. After having pressed it well, I will cover it with fit paper, and take it to the fridge, for 2 hours, so that our cheese is more compact and delicious. And already our homemade cheese with only 3 ingredients is ready. Look how delicious it has been, a homemade cheese, ideal for breakfast. Although I would like you to rate this recipe, from 0 to 10, to know if you liked the result. Thank you for watching this recipe until the end. I hope you liked the result. Tell me if it's the first time you see one of my recipes. And if so, don't forget to subscribe on YouTube as Cheunoe, and activate the bell so you can always receive our recipes. A hug and see you in the next recipe.